Today I am filming a dramatic rainbow eye makeup look, and I'm going to create an outline so it will look like a full cut crease, but I'm also going to make graphic lines along with this makeup look, so I hope you enjoy. Using the Makeup Revolution Tammi Clarke Tropical Carnival palette, I'm first taking this matte yellow and I'm going to apply this onto the inner part of my eyes. Now taking this orange shadow, and I'm going to apply that onto the center of my eyelids. Now using the deep red, and I'm going to apply this after the orange, and I'm going to create a sort of winged shape. Taking the orange shadow, and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. I'm going to first make the outline around the inner part of my eyes, and this will be over the yellow. I'm going into this light blue shadow, and I'm applying this over the base, and this is going to be above the yellow. Going back with the base, and I'm going to create the next outline. This dark green shadow, and this is going on top. Applying this above the orange and extending it halfway to where the red is. I'm going to use that previous blue shadow from before, and I'm going to apply that to where the base is. Now picking up this purple eyeshadow, and this is going to go on the last part of the outline. For lashes, I have the Creme Shop 3D lashes in wig. So this is how my makeup turned out. I do have this makeup look posted on my Instagram, and I really like how it looks. It's super dramatic, and it's just colorful, and I love colorful eyeshadows. Please let me know what you would like to see more from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.